Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical graduate, electronics graduate. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Maruti Suzuki. This is the official website of the company. So I will be providing the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to this page. So here you can see many job openings like a program manager, product marketing manager, die trial and commissioning manager, HPDC dice and injection mold dice, SC casting equipment and facility planning engineer. So many opportunities are there for mechanical as well as electrical engineer. So engine assembly automation engineer. So just click on engine assembly automation engineer. So Gurugram, and experience is minimum 3 to 6 years, and it's coming under production engineering. So who can apply is those are having B.Tech or Diploma in mechatronics, electrical electronics engineering can apply. And your role is you need to process and facilitate planning for the engine assay and process automation. And when you come down, your other behavioral skills, like you need to have excellent interpersonal skill, communication, presentation skill, achievement orientation, and you should be a team player and networking skills. So you need to apply for this job, and then you need to fill all your basic details. So just fill all your basic details, and finally if you give a submit application, means your details will be recorded, and they will be contacting or intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further details. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to mechanical, electrical, electronics people. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.